Okay, hi everyone. We are back on eWalls. Now you have set up your own online learning platform. So today I will guide you on how you can create and manage the courses or whatever subscription item that you have on your website. Okay, first of all, you have to log in to the admin panel. Once logged in, you can go to the products. Here on the product page, you will see all the list of the available courses or subscription item that you have. Okay, click add new. Okay, I will explain each of the item required to set up your course or subscription products. First of all, you have to fill in the product name. Let's say here my first course, and you can also key in the description. And next, on the product data, you can select simple subscription and make sure to tick the product type as virtual, so that during purchase, customer don't have to key in their shipping information. Okay, once that done, you can, on the general tab here, you will see all the pricing settings. So first we need to fill in the subscription price here. Let's say this course is priced at £10 and the customer need to pay it every month, so we set it as every, and the third item is month. So for this, once the customer purchase this course, the automated payment or PayPal or whatever payment method that have been set up will charge the user £10 every month. Okay, next item is expire after, meaning that if we set it never expire, the automation of the recurring payment will keep on going every and each month, so that you don't have to follow up the user manually to ask for payment. So the system will automatically deduct the payment from the customer account. If you set the expiry after, let's say 6 months, so after 6 cycle of payment, 6 months of payment cycles, so the payment will stop. Okay, for the sign up fee, here we can also set a one-time fee during sign up. Let's say for this course is valued at £10 every month, but during sign up we charge the user, let's say £5 one-time payment during sign up. So this one, during the first payment, the customer will be charged in total of £15 during the first month. So on the next month, they will only be charged £10 per month. And also we can set the free trial days or month or weeks. So if we include, let's say here, a free trial period of 7 days, so we can set days, weeks, month or years. So we set here 7 days. So for this course, basically the user will get a 7 days free trial. Basically during sign up, the user won't be charged yet the £10, but he will be charged a sign up fee of £5 and a free 7 days trial. Only after the free 7 days, meaning the days number 8, only the system will automatically deduct from the payment method that being set the £10 amount. So if the user cancel within this free 7 days, the system won't charge the user for the subscription price here. So the user will only be charged for the sign up fee only. So for the next item is the sale price. If you want to put the cross out pricing, you can set the sale price here. Let's say the base price is £10. You can set the sale as £8, something like that. Okay, so sale price must be lower than the base subscription price. Alright, then we continue on the next step, which is the inventory. For the subscription or course or online learning platform, usually we set all the stock status as in stock. You don't have to change these settings. Also for the sold individually, meaning that user can only add this item one time during checkout or in the cart. Next item is link product, is for the upsell and cross-sell. If you have many courses, you can add the courses. Let's say here you can add other courses to upsells or cross-sells in the product page. So next is the attribute. This is for the variable subscription item. Let's say the subscription you have, you need to set a few different type of level. So you want the cost to be in just one item, so the customer can select a level of the item. So you can add here, let's say the level. So the selection will be 1, level 2 and level 3. So the user will have 3 options to select. So we can check visible on the product page and save. So if we have set the attribute and we want to charge all these items differently, we need to change the product type as variable subscription. But for now, we only use the attribute for selection only, without any additional charges for each of the selection. So we stick on the simple subscription with the product option as level 1, 2 and 3. So on the advanced tab, you don't have to set anything. Basically, for the limit subscription, we do not limit the user, meaning the user can subscribe the product multiple times. Or you can also set limit one active subscription, meaning each user can only have one of this kind of subscription at a time. Alright, next is the product short description. So we can fill any short brief introduction about the courses of and also the subscription item. Let's say this is a simple course introduction. So they will be displayed on the product page. And next we have to set the product categories. Let's say if you want to create a new category, you can fill it here, or if you want to put the new courses or item in the existing category, you can tick on any of the categories. Next we have to set the product image. This image will be displayed on the product page and also the listing page. So we can click on the set product image, open up the media library, or you can upload a new image. So you select any image that you have and click on the set product image. So the rest, just leave it as they are. And now we are ready to publish our product or subscription or online course, so that the user will be able to see and subscribe to the item. So once published, you can check the item by clicking the view product. So we open this in a new tab. So this is how the new course looks like. So we have here the product image. So we have the categories here. We have the product title, the course title, and also we have the pricing. Here we have set just now the pricing. The base price is £10, sale price is 8. So on the product page it will show like this. So the base price will be crossed out. Now this is the sale price, £8 a month for 6 months. For 6 months we have set the expire after period. For 6 months with 7-day free trial and a £5 sign up fee. So this is the free trial period and also a fee that we will collect from the user during sign up. Okay, this is the full description will be displayed here. The one on top here, this is the full description or long description. You can fill in all the description here and it will be shown in the description. And the selection will be displayed in the additional selection for the level 1 to 3. This is not really necessary. And for the upsell, cross-sell product, it will be shown here. If you want to promote a different courses or different subscription, we can include in the link product section. Upsells, just type in the product name and the product will be shared along with the the current product that we are building. So this is how the product page will look like. Okay, so that's it, the brief introduction about how you can manage and create a new courses or edit existing courses on your online learning platform. So please try it on your platform. If you find this video is helpful, you can subscribe, share and like this video, and we'll see again in the next coming video. Thank you.